Welcome back, guys, and today I have a webcam. So we're gonna be looking at something called this thing called the fake virus. Yes, it's supposed to be a virus. It's not real. You can tell by the name. So what this does is, actually, before I tell you, I'm gonna show you. Let's go into this. Let's double click that. Hello, Minecraft player, because people like Minecraft. Okay, so I'll link the code in the description. Or a WinZip file, I guess. So I'll put in a WinZip file or something like that, so then you guys can make your own version, but this is my version. So what does it say? It says, "Hello, Minecraft player. Mojang would like you to beta test the new Minecraft update, and to make it official, it says Mojang and a little information." And then we're gonna press yes, I want to. Unable to open Minecraft version 1.1.8.1. If so, at the moment, 2021, 1.18 isn't out yet. So people who know that Mojang does not send people premium versions will definitely not fall for this. So think twice if your friend or family knows about this, like knows that Mojang or whatever you want to write there, because it's gonna be anything. So we're gonna press retry. Second attempt fail. Would you like to scan computer for issues? Now here's where the fun starts to begin. Mojang Serial Port Defender, which is not a real thing, but I guess people will kind of get tricked for it. Yeah. Mojang Serial Port Defender has found BungieBuddy.exe. So BungieBuddy used to be an old virus that doesn't exist anymore, so you can already tell it's not gonna do anything to your computer. So let's press yes. Code 199 virus has been activated. There's no such code. I'm telling you, I just made that up. You can write anything you want in here, but I just wrote code 119. 199. Okay, let's press OK. Computer has been breached. Immediate action has to be taken. Yes. Command: connect this to a USB drive while Mojang fixes the problem. I'm gonna go get my USB drive. Let's go put this in, because we're pretending. So brand new. We're gonna go put this in. Where is the port? Where is that port? Let's plug it in. Okay, there we go. I put my USB in. So let's press OK. I did that. BungieBuddy.exe/harmful websites has access to all paths. No, stop. BungieBuddy/harmful website has access to all passwords and information. Do you grant permission? Yes. All things have been breached. Please be on standby. No. And here's what the fun part comes. See this little attacker here? I'm gonna press OK. It came back. I'm gonna press OK. It's back again. I'm gonna press OK again. Let's press OK again. Still there. Come on, get out, get out. Yeah, see? Now this was a prank. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. You are not hacked. Do not be worried. Lol. Yes. I don't know why. To exit fakevirus.txt, you can press any of the below options. Thank you for your cooperation and share this annoying prank with your friend. Yes. This is credits. It has all of these credits. And this is my YouTube channel, which this video will be on. And you'll also get a WinZip file for downloading your own version of the fake virus. So we're gonna press OK. Click any below to end the API. I don't know why I said that. API means application, doesn't it? Tell me if I'm wrong. I think API means application. I might be like young, but I still know what application is. So there we go. Wow. What, you staring at me? You watching this video. Stop. Stop. It's not funny. Nah, I'm just kidding. Anyway, so let's see the code. What did I write in here? Let's press edit. What did I write in here? Whoa! Okay, that's lots of code. Some of it's hidden by my webcam, so we're gonna hide that right here. Okay. So, you see something here. It's called a message box. That's the things that you were seeing the whole time. You may ask, how do you write this? How does some lousy 11-year-old write all of this? Well, I spent a few weeks writing this. That's why I haven't been uploading for a long time. It's very annoying. Okay, why this? Anyway, I'll tell you how to make your own. If you like this video, press subscribe now. If you don't, then I'm not gonna tell you how I wrote this, and I'm not gonna write exactly what code you need. Yeah, I'm not going to. Not in this video, that is. Unless we get to my goal of 60 subscribers. I'm just kidding. We need 5 likes on this video, minimum. I know that's a lot to ask from you guys, but I make videos. Please, like, subscribe, get to 50 subscribers, and if not, 5 likes at least, so I can make more of this content for you. So, I'm gonna just show you a few things, what this all means. What this all means? Well, it's JavaScript. You can see here, platform type, JavaScript, and this is Notepad. So, how did you write this, you're asking me? You're only 11 years old. Yeah, I understand. That's something that I know. But I'm not dumb, okay? No, shut up. No, I'm not dumb. You're dumb. Okay, shut up. Anyways, we're done with that. Now I'm going to show you what this all means. So you can already know this MSG stands for message box. So I'm gonna show you the real meaning behind all of this in a new video. But until then, do exactly what I said. Like, when did I say it? Froggy, tell me. Froggy, when did I say it? Right. So I said a few seconds ago, so you guys, please just do it. Because if you wanna be a hacker, a fake one that is, because you will get in trouble. Because you don't want to get in trouble. Do you? Okay, that's it. Anyway, see you guys next time. Don't forget to like. This is an inverted camera. Don't forget to like and subscribe for awesome new videos for the next time. I'll see you guys later. What was I gonna say? I wonder what I'll do. Anyways, see you guys next time.